Only one twin needs to do the work to shift the connection. Only one of you. And that one is you, Divine Feminine. Yeah, but Kat, how do you know? How do you know that only one needs to do the work? Because you are one energetic system. Now, this system is formless. I am actually showing you form here. I am showing you form in these pie stones. Now, you believe that you are the Divine Feminine and this is the Divine Masculine. Don't worry about the colours, but you believe that you are this person, this body, this mind and ego, but really who you truly are is just one energy, one system that is working in this beautiful tandem energy. But while ever the mind shifts you into separation consciousness, you are not surrendering and working in that unity consciousness. When you are in separation consciousness, believing that you are two individuals and that you are the mind and ego and that you are the body, then you will stay in separation. This journey is a deeply spiritual journey of formless. You are one energetic system, and once soul recognition has happened, then you are now working in this tandem energy. Why? Why, Kat? Why are we working in this tandem energy? Because you are now on the path of ascension. If you make the goal of union with your Divine Masculine, and that simple word of going, if you make union with your Divine Masculine, you have gone into separation consciousness. This is a journey of unity consciousness. And how do you shift it? Because one twin's, Kat, you said that only one twin needs to do the work. Correct. And you, as a Divine Feminine, you are the conscious twin. You are working in the 3 higher chakras. The Divine Masculine is the subconscious, so they respond to the energy and frequency. When you go into separation consciousness, they go into separation consciousness. And while you look at Divine Masculine and believe that I want, I need, I desire, they are not with me, guess what? You are in separation consciousness. This is about unity consciousness, and the first stage that you must shift into is bringing all the energy back to you. And that is why detox is key on the journey, because you are shifting out of the polarity into a singularity frequency. Most people that talk about twin flames online are talking about it as 2. Now, if you want to operate in a 2, in a polarity, duality, then that works perfectly for soulmates. But twins are not soulmates. They are one energetic system that is learning how to balance and come into an equilibrium singularity frequency. Now, this is the hardest thing that you will ever do, because you have spent your whole life with emotions, beliefs, conditions, believing that everything is outside of you. This is an energetic connection, and it is the deepest, most powerful path of ascension that you will ever walk on. It is a rapid ascension. And so wherever you treat it just as love and romance, and I know the other day when I made the video, I think it was yesterday's video, I know that it triggered a lot of people, and a lot of people were saying, oh, so what are you saying? That I can't feel love for them? That I can't have a romantic relationship? Not in the traditional sense, because it's energy and frequency. Now, can you have a 3D connection? Of course you can. But are you going to treat it like you did in that bubble love phase? No, because you are shifting into a singularity frequency. So you are shifting into a soul way, a soul aligned state. That is knowing that nothing is outside of you. So when nothing is outside of you, you cannot desire anything. That doesn't mean that you don't feel fully embodied and aligned and deeply. In fact, the connection will up level in ways that you have never dreamed of. But wherever you treat it as a 3D soulmate relationship, you will stay in separation consciousness. These are pie stones, by the way. You will stay in separation consciousness. The key to this is detox, surrender, go all the way in. Get out of all the pink, fluffy stuff that is going to keep you looping. And yes, they activate that heart. Yes, those songs, those words, the way it makes you feel all fluffy inside and romantic and loving and longing. Of course, but that's not the journey you are on. The journey that you are on is about fully alignment, is about bringing the energy back to you. And you have to get really, really strong about, where's my energy going? Is it going out in yearning, wanting, needing? And remember, you've had a full collapse of the ego. You've gone through dark night of the soul. You've got this powerful kundalini. You've got all this sexual energy now moving up. But these are the portals that you will move through. Why? Because you're on an ascension path. This is not an easy path. This is not a few crystals sat on a yoga mat, chanting and drinking some cacao. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is way bigger. You're not going to fix this just by taking a bit of plant medicine. In fact, the plant medicine will probably activate it and make it worse. This is about you going deep within. This is about you knowing that you have all the answers within you. And that how you magnetize divine masculine in is not through desiring, wanting, searching, looking at what they're doing. It's about going, I surrender. I surrender all the way. I let go and I make the journey about me. I come into my sovereign, aligned soul frequency. I make the journey about unbecoming. Because know that this journey, you will realize that you are soul. And you are formless. And once you get to that point, then it will up-level you. And you will start to realize that you are that Christ conscious frequency, that Sophia frequency. You are everything and equally nothing. This is the most powerful, deeply transformative journey you will ever enter on to. If you need more help and support, whether it is understanding the A to Z of the twin flame journey, what to do, how to move through each stage, how to align with soul, then my website's there. If you're ready to work with energy and frequency, my website is there. If you're like, I feel my purpose coming on, I feel this calling, my soul purpose is activating, then my soul-led business course is there, my priestess course is there. Everything is there to help you shift on this journey. But I'll warn you, it's not full of pink fluffy stuff. I send you much love.